Now I am talking about appearance profiler. Go to view and select appearance profiler. You can see you can create appearance profiler by property or by set. First of all, I am creating appearance profiler by set. Select the set RP1 and test selection, and now we can change the color and transparency also, and now add. Again select foundation of RP1, test selection, change the color as cyan and change transparency, add, and now go to run. Now you can see the appearance profiler active in the model. You can do the same by property also. Category, put element, property, you can write category, equal, and close. Now test run. You can see the floor selected. Change the color. And add. Now run. In this way you can create appearance profiler.